Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. For Polygon MATIC, the situation is a little bit unclear at the moment. First, maybe let me remove those lines from the chart. The point is that it could very well be that it has bottomed here still at around 70 cents. We talked about that in the previous video. There is a chance that we are in the blue count here, wave 1 up, which would have peaked here at around 86 cents. Wave 2 down, which bottomed at 71 cents, and now we are in a third wave to the upside. The only way really to make this work is to count this as a diagonal pattern, because this move up from the low in what you could call a wave 1 is a 3-wave move. So it's either a corrective move in a wave X as highlighted here, or it is a wave 1, which would be the beginning of a breakout to the upside, which we expect as well, but maybe not yet. Then it would be a diagonal pattern. These are not too reliable, so I have the possibility on the chart, as I said before, but I primarily still expect it to come down, which is not guaranteed though. So the situation is a bit unclear. Primarily, I believe, so first of all, the bigger picture here still, for anybody who's new as well, I expect that we moved up in a 5-wave move in a wave 1. Yeah, that was just above $1. Then we came down in a wave 2. Now that could already be finished or not. So the correction hit perfectly the 50% fib level, bounced off. But it could very well be we come down once more into the larger target area in a very complex correction, what you call a WXYXZ correction. It's an Elliott Wave pattern. It's a very rare pattern. But if we don't break out, I see us bottoming in the region around 65 cents, 60 to 65 cents maybe, yeah. But overall, either now or after that new low, I would expect a move up in a wave 3. And again, let me tell you the target for that wave 3, for that third wave. It depends a little bit on how far down wave 2 will go. But let's say we bottomed out already, then I would expect the third wave to move all the way up to around $1.90. Yeah, 187, I think I said before, 188, sort of in that region, the 1.618 extension. That would be then this scenario. We moved up in a 1, we came down in a 2, and we're going to move up in a 3. Now, how likely is it? Well, the situation, unfortunately, is it's unclear. We had a good opportunity for a breakout here. The market didn't use it. The market bounced off this descending trend line, and we have come down. That was the day when CPI was released. So we came down deeper than expected, but we didn't make a new low. So we recovered quite quickly in what I at the moment see a 3-wave move. And I would count this currently as a wave B. So sort of, let's call it not bearish, but still corrective. And that we will come down once more then in a wave C into that 65 cent level region to complete that WXYXZ pattern. So that's sort of what I would primarily look at and what I would find ideal. But it can be, it could be it has bottomed. The reason why I say that is, you can count a diagonal. We've reached the minimum requirement for this correction, yeah, so that the wave 2 could have finished here. That minimum requirement was completed because we came down in 3 waves, and we came down to the 50% fib level, which is for a wave 2, an ideal retracement level. And because I, at the moment, think Ethereum could have bottomed, and I have noticed the overall correlation between MATIC and Ethereum. So if Ethereum starts to go, then MATIC could go as well. So that's all a bit unclear. When do we, I shouldn't say no, but when is it much clearer that we're moving up here in the blue count? That will be, first indication will be if we break above that wave B high here at 82 cents. A really good confirmation would be a move above 86 cents, the wave X high. And then probably the best confirmation the market can give us is if we break above the 94, 95 cent level. Then I would really say that the low was in and we're moving up in this blue count. That could take us, well, it's a bit unclear because this would be a diagonal pattern, but after all, in the end, it would take us to roughly 188, 189, 190. But the point is, as long as we are still in this descending channel, you can't talk about a breakout. So at the moment, we are still in the channel and we have to follow the channel. As long as we are in a pattern, we're in a pattern, we haven't broken out. So if we break out or not is purely speculation. We need to wait for the market to give us a signal. At the moment, short-term downside expected and possible before we move up. Direct breakout possible as well, but I would want to see a signal, a breakout of the channel, and above that, first of all, 86-cent level and then the 94-95-cent level. So yeah, just really wanted to update you quickly on MATIC. It hasn't really moved in the last few days. However, still a very interesting chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.